Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Sign in to LiveEarth and confirm your account details, then enable two-factor authentication to secure the feed. Once done, pick the appropriate camera plan so you know resolution and concurrent stream limits. This prevents surprises later. Now open the app or dashboard and connect the camera on the same network. Use Ethernet for reliability or Wi-Fi if necessary. Make sure the camera firmware matches the required version, and note the device ID for the next configuration step. Now you'll configure the live stream parameters so the camera behaves correctly. Start by adding the camera to your LiveEarth dashboard with the device ID, a clear name, and accurate location metadata for search and alerts. Next, adjust stream quality. Choose 720p or 1080p, set bitrate and frame rate to match bandwidth, and configure keyframe intervals for smooth playback. Then enable the output protocol you need, RTSB, RTMP, or WebRTC, and set retention, access roles, and sharing links so viewers and integrations can finish by testing the live view under real conditions. Confirm latency, audio-video sync, and how the stream performs with multiple viewers. Once satisfied, save presets like recording schedules, motion detection zones, and alert thresholds so the system automates monitoring. Make sure archived footage and exports are accessible. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip first. Reboot the camera and network gear, verify ports and firewall rules, and confirm NTP time sync. Many streaming issues trace back to network or clock mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.